Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys! Good morning! So, for today's video, since tapos ko na yung pathway cement, naisipan ko naman yung garden table and chair naman. Yung lalagyan natin ng chlorine. So, kahapon nung naglinis-linis ako, medyo nangitim akong konti ha. Konti lang naman. Oh, yan na. Juran! So, for the content tayo, guys. Diba? Hindi lang tayo lagi unboxing. House chores din naman pag may time. So, ayan. Wala pa namang 1 minute. Pabutin natin ng medyo mga matagal-tagal ng konti. So, nilagyan na natin to ng chlorine. And then, ipa-brush para matanggal yung lumot. And syempre, nilagyan ng pagkain. Hindi tayo dito magkakaroon ng something. Okay. So, ganyan lang. Scrub lang. Hindi masyadong matrabaho ito kasi abot kamay. Kahapon kasi is ganun. I have to use a scrub na mahaba para sa semento. Dito na lang tayo dadaan. Okay. Yan, malapitan. Kasi yun yung malapitan. So, kailangan talaga maintain natin to kasi kapag natanggal, tapos mauulan na naman ulit and magtagal, mabubuhay na naman yung lumot. So, as you can see guys, medyo okay na dito yung yung nasa cement sa baba kasi nga na-scrub ko na yan. So, mahabang scrub yung ginamit ko dyan. So, dito, hindi naman masyadong pagod, no? So, babayaan ko lang yan siya. Hindi ko muna ng water. And since umuulan, so hayaan na lang yung ulan niya magbanlaw. Hindi naman to gagamitin eh. Kasi nga maulan. Hindi pwedeng tumambay dito. Ganon. So, umabot na naman tayong 3 minutes. That's all with the guys. Kakat-off na natin ito. Nag-update lang naman ako ng live lately. So, I hope sa mga gustong panoorin lagi yung aking videos, mapa-unboxing, cooking, daldalan, and all. Thank you so much. Sa mga ayaw po, disclaimer tayo. If you do not want my content, you have a choice po. You can skip. Please don't waste your time on saying negative things on me because I am enjoying my life. You should enjoy your life too. O diba English? So, para hindi kayo magkaroon ng additional kasalanan sa mundo, just skip my video. Hayaan nyo lang po kasi I'm doing my job as a content creator. So, kahit na wala man yang earnings, at least I'm here. Still growing, still showing, still posting, and still continuing my goal to give positivity and good vibes. So, sa mga ayaw po, you have a choice. Scroll up, scroll down. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next Life Lately video. Join again on my next videos. Basta, all my videos. Okay, join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Enjoy the rest of the day, and as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. God bless everyone. Happy Monday and stay safe and dry kasi po maulan dito sa Aklan. Bye.